Hey yo, what's up everybody? This is Huey, back to you with another video, and today we're going to be doing a tutorial on trading and how to use the EMA indicators to profit on this crazy market. But before we get to the technical side of things, we first need to understand how the market moves. It's the most basic and important thing you need to know before starting to trade on your own. With that said, the market consists of three parts: an uptrend, a downtrend, and a sideways range. So let's look at each one of them. An uptrend describes the price movement of a financial asset when the overall direction is upwards. In contrast to uptrend, there's downtrend, which means that the price of the asset moves lower as it fluctuates over time. And also a side range. A side range means that the price of the asset is in a fairly stable range and doesn't form any distinct trends over the chosen period of time. I advise you to avoid trading using this strategy in a sideways range market. Whether the market is an uptrend or downtrend, it never moves in a straight line. You have to remember that and always take note. It will move in price swings, and those price swings consists of two parts, which is an impulsive move, which occurs in the same direction where the trend is going, and the small moves that happen against the trend, known as corrective moves. It is also known as a pullback, and we'll be using the pullback strategy to enter the market and benefit from it. To find the perfect time to enter the market, we're going to be using scalping strategy using EMA indicators. EMA stands for exponential moving average and is one of the most common techniques used in trading. We're going to be working with a 2-minute time frame, but before we start making money, let's go ahead and set up our 3 EMA indicators. If you go down here, you can see it right here, moving average indicator. You click it 3 times and you can see them appear in the top left corner. You can edit them. We're going to need a 25 EMA indicator with any color you want and the thickness of it. So we put 25, 3 pixels in the green one. Then we take the second one, it's going to be our 50 EMA right here. We choose the orange color and 3 pixels as well. And now we go to the last one, that's going to be our 100 EMA indicator right here, and then we choose the style of it. We're gonna go red and put a thickness of 3 as well right here. So as you can see, now we have our 3 indicators and we're ready to put in work. Now you have to find a trading pair where all of the 3 lines are looking in one direction, either up or down, and are not crossing each other, like you can see right here on the screen. The position of the candles is also crucial. You want to find a setup where the candles are positioned outside of our 25 EMA. Once you have everything set up, the next step is to look for that entry signal. So now let me show you what's going to be our entry signal. Our entry signal is going to be when the price pulls back and closes at 25 or 50 EMA. Once the price has reached that 50 EMA mark, you wait until it goes back to 25 EMA mark, and that's exactly where you buy. However, if the price has broken the 100 EMA mark, you should immediately stop looking for an entry position on the current chart and look for a new one. Now let's look at the Euro-Canadian trading pair and go over the key features to identify the entry points. First, the market is in the downtrend. All 3 EMA indicators are moving in the same direction. 2. The price has broken the barrier of 25 and 50 EMA. 3. The candles were outside of the 25 EMA. Now we're just looking for the price to push towards the 25 EMA mark, and then we'll be able to sell. But while we are waiting for the price to go back to the 25 EMA, I wanted to take a moment and to encourage you to become a part of NEO's team. It's a perfect opportunity for you to expand your knowledge and go from a novice trader to an experienced one in the shortest time possible. Once you join, you're going to be granted access to Trading Robot, multiple trading lessons which were made by the best traders on the team and created by NEOS. Also, you're going to be able to participate in a social trading where we trade together and make profit under the leadership of a professional trader. And for those who have the funds but do not have the time to trade, we can offer the account managing service. We'll be taking care of your account and generating money for you while you're busy with other things, whether it's your family, your hobby, or any other of your interests. You can get all these perks by joining NEO's trading team today. To find more information, make sure to follow the link in the description below and contact NEOS on Telegram. But we're going in right now. As you can see, the price has just reached the 25 EMA and we immediately sell. And now it is time to wait a little bit and see the results. Now I am going to speed up the video and I will see you guys at the end of this option. As you can see guys, we have successfully secured our option and the next candle continues the downtrend as predicted. However, I can see a better situation on one of our other pairs. So let's go ahead and switch there. Here we have a Canadian to Swiss franc pair. So let's go over the key features of our strategy to see if this trade qualifies to be a good one for us. First point, the market is trending and is currently in an uptrend. 2, the price has already broken the 25 EMA and went all the way down to the 50 EMA point. And 3, the candles are outside of the 25 EMA, which means we're definitely taking the long position. As soon as the candle touches that 25 EMA mark, we go in. So now let's go ahead and skip to the end of this option and see if the strategy works. And we're successfully closing another option. As you can see, the market continues the uptrend. Even though it was a little bit close, you can see that the strat still works, and most of the time it is going to be the case. But let's see if we can find more of these market setups which will profit us using this scalping technique. And right here we have a euro to Australian dollar. So right here, as the candle touches the 25 EMA, we immediately take the short position. Usually I wouldn't take this trade because the price has previously broken out of the 100 EMA. However, I can see that the previous weeks had strong price resistance and the sellers are in charge. So I see this as a good opportunity to get in. So let's skip ahead to the end of this option and see if I was right. And just like that, we secure another option. And also we have made almost $4,000 using this scalping technique. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you want to learn more and see more tutorials like this, make sure to comment and subscribe. And also join Neo's team. You can find all the information in the description below. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.